In today's video, I'll teach you how to update DAZN app. So if you want to update the DAZN app, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, tap on the search icon that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is simply search for DAZN. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application DAZN Watch Live Sports. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. After you do that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Once the application has been updated, instead of update option, you'll be able to find the option for open. That means your application has been updated to the latest version. Now after the application has been updated, you'll be able to enjoy the latest features. Also the bugs of the applications will be fixed. So like this, you'll be able to update it. So that is how you update DAZN app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.